Hi guys, and welcome back to Tech with Tata. In this week's episode, I'm going to be walking you guys through a service known as Grav, and it's super easy to use. Personally, again, I say this in every one of my videos, but I'm a non-IST major, and this is extremely easy to use with the exception of having it cost money to host. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just walk you guys through exactly how I made this Grav site, and I'm hosting it on the Reclaim Cloud platform. So once you initially make your Reclaim Cloud platform, you're going to be going to this marketplace. And then within the marketplace, one of the first results that comes up is Grav. You would install Grav through Reclaim Cloud, let it do its thing, and eventually it would pop up with a basic Grav site. And again, like when I click on this, it brings me to that Grav site. I've already edited this a little bit, but I'm going to show you guys now how I edited it. So when you're in the settings, after you click on this little configuration tool, it'll take you to this exact file, and you want to scroll around and look for web root, which on my screen is over towards the bottom, and click. And then once you expand upon this root file, you're going to see a bunch of different files, but the one that we want to focus on today is within the user tab. So I'm going to look around for a user. There it is. And then within this user tab, I'm going to look for pages. So it's really easy to create a new page on Grav. And as you can see, I did home, pros and cons to maybe why Grav over different CMS flat file platforms, and then alternatives to Grav. These were all pages that I created very easily, but I'm going to just quickly walk you guys through how I could make an additional page. So as we know, we always have to link these YouTube videos. So if I want to link a new page, I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to create a new folder within the Pages tab. And then I'm going to rename this as 0.4, which is, again, just categorizing it in the system as the fourth file. And then I'm going to name this video. And then once I click enter, it will save that on a page. And the really nice thing about Grav is it immediately updates whenever you do this. So then once I go into here, once I create that video file, I'm going to do a new file within that. And then I'm going to rename this as default MD. And this is, again, just the content of the web page that I'm desiring to make. And then once I've created that, I'm going to open it. And then this is just empty, so I'm going to show you guys. I can go like this and say testing, and then save. Now, since the Reclaim Cloud is connected to the website that I'm creating, Grav should update with a new page on the upper right-hand corner. And as you can see, it did. And I can click on video, and it says testing. Then, additionally, if I want to mess with the CSS, or better known as the aesthetic framework of the page, there's a lot of different things we can do. If we want to make something a header, we can put 3 hashtags and put video. And then you can also go below that and put like a little star sign, and then say something like here. So here's the link to my YouTube video. Obviously, I haven't uploaded it because I'm filming it now, but then once I do upload it, I will attach this link to right here, and I'll click save. Again, when I go back to my Grav site, you can now see that the CSS has been implemented, and you can see that video is a little bit bigger, and then it bullets it off. That's how I also set this up for my alternatives page and my pros and cons page. But all in all, Grav is extremely easy to use as someone who has little to no background in the service. And it's all done through Reclaim Cloud and immediately updated. So I hope that you guys learned something in today's video, and thanks so much for bearing with me. Enjoy the rest of your day.